Hello everyone, today we are going to review another UI UX course according to these parameters. This review will be helpful for those who are freshers or who are willing to switch their career into this profession. Also, I will add the best UI UX course link in the description, which is better according to my recommendation. You can check out from there. Let's start with the review. It's a UX UI training program by Try-Catch classes. And if we go down, this is the modules like what you will learn. UX design thinking, user interview surveys, UX portfolio is there, how to create content is also there, interaction design is also there, usability testing, prototyping is there, wireframing and design layout is there. These are the training process, session, assignment, projects, building, interview, job placement. And these are the key highlights. 95 hours training time is there, and the highest package is 12.5 LPA. Like it's just for return purpose. Like not every student get these kind of packages. So these are the hiring companies partnered with, and this is the content, introduction, design thinking, deliverables, define, ideate, learning UI tools. Tools are Figma and Marvels. HD tools are missing, AI tools are missing. Like the AI tools are important, future-oriented UI UX course. Material design is there. Like material design is the important topic in the UI UX course. Like it helping to create a structural components in terms of designing. Prototype is also there. Fundamental is there. Responsive design is there. Skills is Figma, training, graphic design, sketch, user research, material design, UI. Certification course is there. Testimonials is there. These are the student portfolio, and these are the tools we are going to teach. And it's a average course. Like many things are missing in this course, like AI tools are not there, XT is not there, some of the modules are not there, overall the UI design quality is also not there. So if we give a rating according to these parameters, it's a 0.5 structures, fundamental is 1 for me, UI design quality is again 0.5 for me, hands-on project is there, so it's a 0.5 for me, tools and software training is there, it's a 0.5 for me, and mentorship and feedback is not there, so it's a 0 for me. Portfolio development is there, placement and career support is also there. Course values fees, it's 0.5 for me. Industry relevant update is 0.5 for me. Like it's an average course for me. Like if we search in the market, there are many better course in terms of all the parameters, in terms of all the ratings, in terms of the fundamentals are there. So if we give a total, it's 6 out of 10, and it's an average course. You can go with this if you want to learn on the beginner level, but there are many better course. Also, I will add the best UI with course link in the description, which is better according to my recommendation. You can check out from there, which covers all the parameters in terms of fundamentals, in terms of quality, in terms of software training, also helping placement and career support after completion of course. I will add the link in the description. You can check out from there. Thank you.